Hi everyone, welcome back to Car OMG Dubai, your one-stop shop for car upgrades.
Today we're showing you one of our most popular features, the Android screen upgrade. If you're still using a basic or stock screen in your car, it's time to level up. Our Android screen runs on a quad-core processor, comes with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM, giving you fast and smooth performance. No lag, no delay. It operates on Android 14, the latest version, so it's fully updated and supports all modern apps. Whether you're using Google Maps for navigation, watching YouTube, listening to music through Bluetooth, or using the reverse camera, everything is smooth and easy to use. The screen gives your dashboard a completely new look. It's modern, clean, and packed with smart features. You can even connect it to your steering controls for safer hands-on access while driving. Worried about nighttime brightness or sun glare? Don't be. The display is bright, clear, and responsive, even under direct sunlight or in the dark. The touch sensitivity is strong, so every tap and swipe works perfectly. This upgrade isn't just about entertainment, it's about convenience, safety, and a better driving experience. Instead of reaching for your phone, you get everything you need right on the dashboard. So if you're ready to give your car a smarter edge, come to Car OMG Dubai. DM now or visit our shop, and let's get your Android screen installed today.